The Commodore 64 sales cartridge. Demonstration of what your Commodore 64 can do back in 1982 when the Commodore 64 was released. You might see this on the store shelves, or on display at a Sears or Kmart, whatever store you frequented back then. You got about 5.5 minutes of demonstration from the Commodore 64. Word processing. Save and retrieve documents and programs previously written from your dataset recorder. Uses regular audio cassettes. Your Commodore 64 system can be your continuously expanded with a 1541 drive. You can get faster access to your programs and documents. You can get the clearest picture and liveliest sound with the 1702 monitor. Add a printer for printing your letters, manuscripts, documents, and programs. Add a plotter for drawing figures and graphs in 4 colors. If they're talking about the 1520 plotter. Or others. Add a modem for communication with stock markets and stuff. Commodore Chronicle. It's like an example. Yeah. All the Commodore 64 software is as easy to use as the word processor. With your electronic spreadsheet, keep all your accounts in the black. I think the government can use a spreadsheet program. Exciting educational software for the whole family. Learn reading, math, science, music, programming, logo, and basic. And just for fun, the Commodore 64's unsurpassed graphics and the sound capabilities. Blueprint from Valley Midway. Your Commodore 64 even helps you design your own games. Electronic sprite sheet makes character creation easy. See, you can make that guy into that guy. Your 64 can talk with the speech module. Commodore's music machine cartridge also allows simple input. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? I can't hear you. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. For once she was a true love of mine. Commodore these computers in more homes than any other home computer. It's true, back then. And for many years it was true. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it.